Welcome students to your mathematics online class. Today is our second class. In first class we have started this question and I have given you this question number 1 as homework. In today's class we will discuss question number 2. In this question it's written write down the next two terms of the following sequence. So here if you will see first one -6, -5, -3, 0 and 4. There is something is adding in the first term, so we are getting the second term. Then there is addition and then we are getting the third term because number is constantly increasing. -5, -6, then -5. -5 is greater than -6, then -3 is greater than -5, then 0 which is greater than -3, then 4 which is greater than 0. So there is there is an increase in the sequence. Let's see. It's simply we have to find it out in this way. The first term is -6 and the second term is -5. So if we'll add 1, then what we are getting? -5. And then if we will add +2, then we are getting -3. So far -6, then -5, then -3, -6, then -5, then -3. But what we have added, we have not added the same number, we are increasing the number. So in this way, if we have first of all we have added +1, then +2. Now what we have to add? Now we have to add +3 to get the next number. Let's see if it works. 3 minus 3 is 0. Yes, the sequence is in this way only. -6, then -5, then -3, then 0. And now we'll add +4 in it. So we will get 4. Answer will be 4, which is the next term of our sequence. Now what's happening in this sequence? Here we are adding 1, then adding 2, then adding 3, then adding 4. Now to get the next number we have to add 5. So eventually it will become 9, and then we have to add 6 to get the next number. 9 plus 6 is 15. So that number will be 16. Sorry, 15. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So our next numbers are 9 and 15. So here 9 and then 15. So sometimes we have to increase a digit in sequence where the digits which we are adding. Sometimes we have to use multiple digits, like in sequence in such a way that we are adding 1 and then we are adding 2, then we are adding 1, then we are adding 2 to get the next number. So this is also possibility in a number sequence. Let's see the second one, part B. 47, 38, 30, 23 and then 17. So now here there is a continuous decrease. For 47, then 38, then 30, then 23, then 17. So in this way what we have to do, we have to, the one thing is sure, that something is increasing here, something is decreasing here. So to check how much it is decreasing, we will do 47 minus 38. So here it's simple that 7 17 and 8, 9. In first term there is a subtraction of 9 minus 9. Fine. And the second term, it's quite visible. In the second one it is minus 8. So here 47 till 38, it's minus 9, and then 38, if we will minus 8 from 38, so it will become 30, so then there is a minus 8, and then if we will minus 7, then we will get 23, then if we will minus 6, then we will get minus 17, and now what we have to do to get the next number after 17, we have to minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 will be the number. Fine. So to get the next number, what we have to do, we have to minus 6. So if we will minus 6 from there, then 6 will come. Fine. So in this way, in what's happening in this sequence, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, then minus 5, and to get the next number, then now we have to minus 4, then minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 1. In this way, they are increased. These sequences will continue. Fine. And now here it is part C. Minus 50, then minus 45, then minus 44, then minus 39, then minus 30. So what's happening here? Here there is a decrease of, there is an increase of, like minus 45 is greater than 50, then there is an increase of plus 5, then minus 45 minus 44, the minus 44 is greater than minus 45, then it is plus 1 digit greater. So it's happening minus plus 5, plus 1, then there is plus 5, then there is again plus 5. Here it is plus 5. So 44 plus 5 is 39, then plus 1. So what's happening in this sequence is plus 5, plus 1, plus 5, plus 1, plus 5, you will get this number, then plus 1, you will get this number, then plus 5, then plus 1. So to get the next number, we have to plus 5. 38 plus 5 is 33. Then plus 1. So 33 minus 33 plus 1 is minus 32. Fine. So in this question, there is today we have learned this thing, that in some sequence there is a continuous increase in the number which we are adding to get the next number. Part D, 800, then 98, then 95, then 93, then 90. So there is in a decrease again. 100 is greater than 98, so there is a plus subtraction. This is subtraction, minus 2, and then there is subtraction of minus 3, then there is subtraction of minus 2, then minus 3. So in this sequence there is minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 4. So after 98, we have to do what? We have to minus 2. So we will get 88. 88 minus 3, then that will become 85. So in this sequence, this is happening. So in this way, complete this question number 2 and write down the next 2 terms of the following sequence, and try this question as well, question number 3 as well, and consider it as your assignment to complete exercise 7a, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. But still, if you are not able to understand anything, please write a comment that which question you are not able to complete. Then in the next video I will incorporate those whatever the problems are and try to resolve the issues. Fine. Thank you.